Omuntu nga ali mu relationship aja ku progressing faster than gwatali. Echo you can argue about it all you want. Omuntu nga ali mu relationship properly nga bakwatagana. I'm talking about relationships that are functional. I'm not talking about those ones that they don't even get on. Basiba bayomba basiba berangira. That's not that. Now those ones they are at war. Abali mu lutalo twogera ku bantu nga bali nga bakwatagana in a proper partnership. Actually kanjite there are relationships and partnerships. People who are proper partnership nje kintu kikola. Omuntu nga ali mu partnership mukwano ne bwoba omugobo ddamu togenda mukwata agenda kuddayo asome kosi alina amukwatirako agenda kutandika alina omuntu amubeererawo bagenda tandika okufuna sente nga batula wansi ne bazibudgetinga babiri nga batula wansi ne babudget bogenda okulanga baguze ennyumba noka baguze ennyumba sente bazijewa bakolagana omuganda agamba agali ewamu ge galuma ennyama. And some of you don't even understand those simple Luganda sayings. Agali ewamu ge galuma ennyama. Alwambuza, do you pay 50-50? No, I don't. Why should I pay 50-50? I've got a husband. He pays 80. I pay 20. I buy clothes for the kids. I pay the things that a woman should do. I do home shopping, clothes for the kids, whenever you can rug, whenever you can nonti bills masanyalaze bije. Ndeka. Even jabisa sulandi na mwandu. I don't pay no bill. I've got a man. That's izo bills za basajja. But we do joint savings. We do joint savings for different things. If you have family, neti bills masanyalaze maziani ani bya basajja. Yo bill ate byo ndekambabule ne kitu ya mwabola abatansokola. Omusajja tomujjako obuvunanyizibwa bwe mulekere bills ze.